welcome to Alter the Matrix. Preparation. Now this step is not mandatory, but it does help incredibly. You want to use everything to your advantage here, and this step is gold if you ask me. This is basically setting your meditation sacred space kind of like an altar. Use the ones that you resonate with. Most people think that meditation will instantly get rid of stress, but you must do your preparation to get the most out of your meditation. Shower. Before your meditation and before entering your sacred space, take a nice warm shower. It cleanses your body, but also energetically, you feel lighter and more at peace. It relaxes you. And of course, if it's the evening, change your day clothes to something clean and comfortable. Use this to your advantage. Sound or noise. Make sure you have a very quiet space to eliminate distractions. If not possible, use earplugs like these ones. Not only will they isolate the sound, but they will actually help you focus on the sound of your breath, which is essentially the most important part of this practice. Lights. Turn all the lights off or have very dim lights on. If not possible, use an eye mask like this one to cover your eyes completely from any light. You don't want to see any disturbing light, whether your eyes are open or closed. Fire. Light a candle and do some candle gazing for about 2 to 3 minutes prior to meditating. Focus on the dancing flame. Watch the way the flame dances. Let it mesmerize you. It will calm your spirit and get you ready to dive deeper. For thousands of years, our ancestors have gazed at fire for hours and hours. This was their television. It's almost as if it's now imprinted in our DNA. We just love fire. When we go camping, we stare at it for hours and hours ourselves. It's mesmerizing and soothing. It takes us someplace deep within our soul. Use this to your advantage. Smell. If you can tolerate it, find and burn some incense that pleases you. This will activate your sense of smell, further stimulating and sending signals to the brain that we're about to shift your consciousness and enter sacred space. Over time, whenever you will burn it, you will instantly get in that zone. Now, some people can't tolerate incense. If you're one of them, skip this step. Energetic cleanse with white sage. White sage is what shamans use to cleanse negative energies. Stress and anxiety are negative energies. So again, use this to your advantage. It's better to use it before meditation. So just burn some and cleanse your space. And then also smudge your body. And then just turn it off for the meditation. Crystals. Acquire and place some crystals around you or on your altar. This will really help boost the overall energy. Quartz crystals are the best. I also recommend amethyst. Now, crystals will also help you open up to become more receptive. That's it for step 2. Now, again, these are not mandatory, but if you want to go deeper, quickly, have more efficient and successful results with your practice, I highly suggest them. These tools that I found in my journey have greatly improved and helped my practice, so I really suggest them. You will find that most of your time meditating, especially in the beginning, will be spent taking your awareness back down to the breath. Because of chatty thoughts, that is normal. Let it be. It's part of the process. This is meditation. Don't get discouraged. Again, enjoy the process, and may you find inner peace.